What's up, guys? Thought I'd do a bike check since everyone else does it, and it's raining outside. Nothing better to do. So this is my bike, 2009 Haro Counterpart Forum Light. Pretty beast bike. I like it. Got the stock Haro bars, Odyssey team grips with them cut off. I like it feel that way. Got the S&M Redneck XLT stem. Stock Haro forks. Just actually bent those yesterday. Probably can't tell from this angle, but yeah. Got the Odyssey Aiken front tire with Haro hub and Alienation PBR red front rim. Got the Odyssey Gym C trail mixes. Haro 21.0 top tube. Got the Haro Slim Settle seat with the Haro seat post and the Haro seat clamp. I run the Odyssey Aiken back tire too, also with a Haro hub. Got the Haro sprocket, KMC red chain, 25.9 gearing. Overall, it's a great bike. I did have brakes. It had a straight cable, but snapped the straight cable and said fuck it. Rode brakeless now. It has removable brake mounts, as you can see. It's pretty legit, I think. I like the way that looks. Pretty fresh. Yeah, that's about it. It's a great overall bike. Fun to ride. Good for parks, trails, anything you want to do.